Understand only this one concept. Catch the time. Time is a matter. All of you understand? Time is a matter. So anything matter can be caught, is it not? So you have a mind. After all, your mind is also a matter. So with the matter mind, catch the time. What is this? We know he is crazy. But now it is going overboard. Understand? Very subtle part of you trying to catch the cosmos. See, subtlest part of you is your mind. Subtlest part of the, I can say, grossest part of the cosmos is time. These two are very close to each other. Subtlest part of you is mind. Grossest part of cosmos is time. If you try to catch with the subtle part of you, the gross part of cosmos, you will catch it. Understand what I am saying? I'll give you exact technique. Sit. Whenever thought comes, say no. Thought means past or future. No. I have to catch the time now. Then for few seconds, it will be just like kind of a silent to do. No, I want to catch time. It will not be like unclutching. Don't think it's like unclutching. No, it's not like unclutching. Meditating on time. It's like a kala dhyana. How is time happening in me? What is time? What is time? What is time? See, if you keep this towel in a vacuum box for 10 years, after that 10 years, vacuum box means nothing has worked on it. Try to take out this towel, it will be piece. It will be just a piece. Then what has worked on it? It's after all in the vacuum box, vacuum tube. There's no oxygen, there's no air, not even air has touched the towel. Why it has become old? Why it got toned? It will be just bit by bit, piece by piece. Means time has worked on it. Time has worked on it. Same way, time works on your body. Understand? Continuously, the wear and tear on your body is happening because of time. So now, say, that guy who is working on me and making me old every moment, I want to catch him. That thing which is working on me, making me old every moment. Nobody wants to get old. But somebody is making you old. Who is that guy? Catch him. Time is the guy. Time is the guy who is making you old. See, you can touch time only in the present moment. You understand? You can't catch time in the past, already gone. You can't catch it in the future, not yet came. You can catch time only in the present. But I am not saying you to live in present moment to moment. No. Living moment to moment is impossible. It never happens. I am telling you, catch time with your mind. See, your mind is nothing but the small edge of awareness you have about this moment. That's your mind. Because anything else is a thought. See, it's like how a blind person reads a Braille book. Braille book is there. He puts his finger and goes on reading. The finger tip is the mind. Same way for you. The whole world is there, all thoughts are there. The small tool with which you are reading all those thoughts is mind. All of you understand? The small tip of awareness you have, with which you are reading all these thoughts, scanning, understanding, classifying, reinsisting, revisiting, reinventing, all the thoughts, that small tip, that awareness is mind. So have that awareness in your control and try to catch time. Try to pin time. Yes. No, that is okay. You don't need to suppress anything. Huh? No need to suppress anything. Anything is okay. Whatever happens in the system is okay. But bring yourself back to catch time. Yes. No thought. Thought means past. I want now, the time. So exactly what will happen, you will be pushed into a kind of a higher reality, kind of a wide open space where like a slide you will see your past or future, but with clarity, not like sleeping. Very clearly you will see. When you come back to this plane, you will not have confusion whether you slept or not. You will know very clearly, wow, I am. Not that I was, I am. No. I am. Yesterday, guys who had that some past life glimpse, you should now scan. When you had that moment and this moment should be like a sync in one line. Not like I was, I am. No. I am. For example, you are sitting. You have your water bottle next to you. You and the person who is having water bottle is one and the same. Same way, if you have seen any past life visions, that vision and you should feel so close, so real, you will not feel, I saw myself in that way. No. Me. Will you say person who owns water bottle and person who is me are totally different? Because it's too close to you. You may say the person who owned a house 10 years before in Florida and now the person who is in this body are too different. There is a gap. But the water bottle is directly in front of you, it is a direct ownership. Now. So if you get any past life glimpse or the future life glimpse in the present moment, you should feel that close. All of you understand what I am talking? It should not feel like once upon a time, long ago, 17,000 years, I was in this world, in that body, and I was tortured by that person. That is why this time I got married to that person and torturing him. Okay. That now this time I am brother of that person or son of that person or daughter of that person. See, it's not like a was and is. It will appear like a is and is. How many of you had like this, the is and is, yesterday glimpse? Raise your hand. So only if you had the real past life regression. If it was and is, it's not. Then you have to meditate again. You have to catch the time. You need little purification of that slides. That slide need to get little more purified. Means more authentic informations will come. You will feel it like you, now, here. Okay? Any doubt? No. We'll start again? Alright. So, all of you understand this, Nityanandam participants? Any movement happens in the body, don't worry, because I'm going to initiate you and literally raise the energy. Whatever way body moves, don't worry about it. You sit in Padmasana and Samana Mudra. Samana Mudra means this. Right thumb should be up. This is Samana Mudra. This is Samana Mudra. The Ramakrishna will be sitting. That's Samana Mudra. And Padmasana. Padmasana. All of you can do Padmasana. Shall I show? See. All right. Whoever can, sit in Padmasana. Others leave it. I can say almost same, but not same. See, this piece and this piece is same. Almost same, but not same. Connected in one place. Yes. 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 See, ma, what I am saying, your past life has happened 100 years before. But if you experience it now, with this time meditation, it will be seen as now. It has happened, no doubt, but it's not like you will not experience it in past tense, you will experience it in present tense. All of you are able to catch what I am saying? Now, Kshanikavada concepts. You see, now what I am talking to you is Kshanikavada. Kshanikavada means the science of Kshana, time. So the Kshanika, all the Kshanika things getting, still nobody is able to translate the Kshanika philosophy into English. So many people tried. Nagarjuna is a great mystic, worked on time and made people enlightened. He is one of the greatest Buddha, happened in India. Unfortunately, did not get popular like Buddha and Shankara. Amazing guy, Nagarjuna. Maybe in these few days I'll chant some of the Nagarjuna Sutras for you guys. It's a very powerful master. See, alright, do this much. Whenever any oscillation, vibration, movement happens in your mind, say, hey, no, no, no. You are falling into past. I want time. And time, what is time? What is time? Then you will see your mind, body, everything becomes solid beings. Now as of now you will not be able to feel them as solid beings. Because you are too gross, you are not able to feel mind as individual entity. If you become little subtle, in that plane you will understand mind is a solid entity. When you feel mind is a solid entity, you will feel time is a solid entity and you will try to catch it. You understand what I am saying? See, because you feel your body, grass, you are not able to catch the mind, which is subtle entity. All you need is to catch that subtle entity. Shall we do it? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Let the time be experienced in all of you. Let the initiation into time happen in you all. Let the truth of time be experienced by all of you. Just catch time. Try again and again. Catch time. Catch time. With full awareness, with deep excitement, catch time. Don't miss it. Don't be dull. Catch time. Relax. You can open your eyes. Next session. Thank you.